guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video it'll be a skateboarding video, which is super fun because my husband loves skating. I am a beginner. I have a very low skill set, so that's why he's the only one in the video, because you wouldn't want to see me up there, trust me, you wouldn't. So he's the one wearing these awesome, super cute, funky socks, which were also the inspo for this video. Love these socks. These are probably in my top 5 favorites because they're just so funky and cute. I love these. Okay y'all, that's it for today. Please comment down below what you want to see from us next, or have you ever been skateboarding? Do you like it? Just send us the love. Let us know what you think. And please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you next time. Bye!